I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
This is a program for the veterans to just appreciate them and to honor them. We were celebrating Veterans Day. The students wrote down their veterans that they know on the flag, and we put them around the school. They were about the veterans that were special to all of the people in our city.
Having the courage to still be afraid but go anyway.
Thank you for supporting our city and being kind to one another.
Each fold represents something. One of the folds was about Martin Luther King Jr., about his dream.
Feet at a 45-degree angle. Look at my toes pointing out like that.
He was like yelling at us, telling us no smiling, and we have to stand straight.
Arms should be touching your legs.
He was telling us to do funny movements.
Front. Back.
Thank you for serving our country. Thank you for all you've done for us and fighting for our country. I really, really appreciate it, and so do hopefully all the other kids.